Hello my YouTube friends. I like to have fun here on YouTube and sometimes even in my live meetings. So today I want to show you how to clone yourself for a background for your live meetings. This is going to work for Zoom, Teams, Google Meet, and pretty much anything else that has the same kind of features. So let's get to it. My name is Michael Fire Jr. Welcome to the channel. If you're always looking for tools, tips, and tricks to help make you a better live streamer or YouTuber, then subscribe to the channel and click that bell so you don't miss any new content. There are so many ways that you can use this technique. The limit is really just your imagination. Take a second and tell me how you plan to use this in the comments below. Let me show you how you do this. It's really pretty easy. So the first thing you want to do is actually record what you want to see in your background. In this case, you can see I just recorded me in the background, goofing around and doing a little bit of feather dusting and just playing around with the stuff in the background. And so that's pretty simple stuff. Whoop. And you want to make sure that you record something that's not just, 30 seconds or 45 seconds, because that's going to be playing over and over in your background through the duration of the meeting. So you want to record a good minute or two. Then you're going to go into an editing program. In my case, I'm using Premiere, and I'm just going to take the clip that I just made and I'm going to copy it into my timeline, and I just want to edit it up a little bit. I'm going to cut out the little bit at the beginning where I turn on the camera, and then I'm going to cut out the bit at the end. And I just kind of scroll through it to watch everything and make sure that it looks okay. You can see this clip is about 3.5 minutes long or so. And then I'm just gonna clip the bit at the end here. And there we go. And so this clip ends up being just about 3.5 minutes long, which is perfectly fine. Then I'm going to go ahead and mark the selection and export this. And you want to make sure that you export it in the same resolution as you're going to be streaming. And so I'm streaming in HD, so I'm going to pick full HD. And then I'm going to uncheck export audio. I don't need the audio in this file. This is just going to be a background video. And then I'm going to click export. And depending upon the length of your video, this could take a minute or two. Now we are going to go ahead into Zoom. And if we go up to the top right, we can click on the little gear button. We'll go into video, and I'm going to set up my regular standard video camera. And I think that's pretty much all we need to do. And then I'm going to select the background filters, and I'm going to click this plus here, and I'm going to add video. And of course, I'm just going to add that background video we just created. So I'm going to browse to that location and open it, and there we go. Now we have a little background video of me dusting off my background. Now obviously this can be as creative as you want. You can have video of you driving in your car, or pretty much anything that you want you can use as an alternative background to clone yourself. So you can really be creative. I've seen stuff where guys walk in and out of the doorway, or they're on the beach, or they have a video of themselves at the beach swimming or whatever. There's all kinds of different fun ways that you can use this to add a little bit of fun to your live stream. And you can see you can go in and edit or change this right from the actual meeting by clicking the up arrow in stop video and then selecting the proper video background editor. And you can see, there I am, just going ahead and poking around and doing some cleaning in the background. It's really that simple. And this is going to work for any of the other applications where you can use the virtual background. So for Teams or Google Meet, if they use a virtual background that allows video, you can do this. It's really simple and a lot of fun. If you want to see how to add a second camera to Zoom or Teams, check one of these videos out. And if you're always looking for tools, tips, and tricks to help make you a better YouTuber or a live streamer, subscribe to the channel. My name is Michael Fire Jr. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.